Google Ads campaign objectives. In this video, we're going to cover what actually campaign objectives are, why they're important, and how to make sure you choose the right one for your business. Make sure you stay through to the end of the video because I'm going to reveal my main preferred campaign objective pretty much for all the campaigns that I run, and I guarantee you it's not the one that you think I'm going to choose. So let's go do this right now. Oh, and don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Let's go do this. Okay, so let's talk all about campaign objectives. If you're not sure what exactly I mean, if I dive into my Google Ad account here, you'll see when I clicked on create a new campaign, the first prompt it's asking me for is to choose what is my campaign objective here. At the time of this recording, the options are to choose sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, awareness, local store visits, and to create a campaign without a goal guidance. Now, it's worth mentioning, maybe you've had experience with Facebook ads, you're faced with a similar kind of prompt in Facebook ads. It's a little bit different in Google Ads insofar as choosing the campaign objective doesn't really limit you massively with your strategy. The biggest impact in choosing a campaign objective in Google Ads is pretty much to do with its bid strategy, the bid strategy options that you have available to you. So for example, if I choose sales as my campaign objective, what you'll find is I will have fewer bidding options than if I were to choose to create a campaign without a goal guidance, where I have all the available settings and all the available bidding options for me to choose. Okay, so it's also worth mentioning that whichever objective you choose, you can actually change once you have created your campaigns as well. So don't panic and don't think, oh my God, I've got to choose the right one, because if I don't, I can't change it. I'm going to have to create a whole new campaign. That's actually not the case. So if I show you real quick here in a live campaign, so I've gone to the settings in my live campaign, and as you can see here, the marketing objective, and I click on this, I had chosen no goal guidance, and that's because, as I mentioned just previously, I wanted the full amount of settings available for me. So I chose without a goal guidance, but I could easily, in change this going forward. So I can change this to sales, and then I can click save, and then you'll see here that where is it? My marketing objective is set to sales. Okay, so don't panic that you need to choose the right one. There is actually quite a good help article by Google which says kind of what each objective is and the features that are associated with those objectives. So depending on what type of campaign you're looking to create, then you might find you want to sort of first define what kind of campaign type you're doing and then find the objective that's best associated with that. But as mentioned at the start of this video, the campaign objective that I choose most of the time is actually, controversially, this one, to create a campaign without a goal guidance, because I want the full amount of control. I want to be able to decide if I want to do manual bidding or I want to do automated bidding. So it actually doesn't limit me in terms of the performance for that goal guidance, that particular option. So often that's the one that I choose, and maybe later on down the track when I am running an automated bid strategy, then I might change it to be sales or leads or whatever else I'm doing. So there you have it. That's all the information that you need to know about campaign objectives. Think about what is right for your business and what you want to do, and ultimately how much control you want to have when you're creating your campaigns. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs icon and subscribe, and maybe check out my website teachtraffic.com for more information and courses that we have available. Thanks for watching.